today we are on a road trip to Seattle to Folsom. In this video, I plan to share with you guys the 3 stops that you can stop along your way.
Side by side, our fears are done. All the good times.
As soon as we entered California, we saw the boasting view of Mount Shasta. The sun was out and it was such a scenic drive.
Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are fine.
Number 2 is the Sundial Bridge Reading. It is exactly at the supercharger spot, and the park is amazing with the iconic view of the bridge. Check it out.
You and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. Before I sleep,
Marcy.
hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through and through.
If you're visiting during the winter season, check out the sparkly fairy Christmas lights at Folsom.
Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright.